When you're participating in a discussion in Canvas and I've asked you to embed some images, I've been running into a bit of a problem of some images not showing up. And it appears that the problem is that the images are just too big. I'm asking you guys to post maybe sometimes up to 10 images and it's just not working out so well. So what we need to do is make sure that we resize our images before we embed them in a Canvas discussion post. So this video tutorial will show you how to do that using Photoshop. So I've opened an image here that I shot with a digital camera, and I'm going to go to Image, Image Size. And as you can see here, this is 2,672 pixels by 4,000 pixels. And it's a 30.6 megabyte image. And that's really large, and we don't need that for these Canvas discussion posts. And eventually it'll fill up all the space that we have access to. So we need to make sure that we're resizing these. What I want to do is go to Image Size. I want to make sure Resample is turned on. And then we want to go to Pixels. And we are going to look at these dimensions and choose the largest dimension. In this case, it's my height. And I'm going to type in 780. This is going to resample or resize this down to only 521 pixels by 780 pixels. And it's going to drop our file size dramatically. So what I want you to do is then hit OK. Now, what I've done is I've dramatically made this smaller. Make sure you're doing this on a copy of your image. You want to save that original high resolution image in case you ever need it again. So I'm going to go to File, Save As, and I'm going to give it a new name. And I'm going to call mine Sunflower 780. That tells me that I've used 780 pixels as my widest dimension here. I'll let you come up with your own naming conventions. And then for posting to Canvas, you have a couple choices, including JPEG and PNG. In this case, I'm going to choose PNG, and I will hit Save and OK. Now I have resized this down. It's a much smaller image. I'll be able to embed it into my Canvas discussion posts and not take up near as much space in the actual space we have allotted to us, and your images should show up better. So before you post any more images to Canvas discussion posts and embed those, make sure that you're resizing each image as you do so. If you have any questions on how to do that, make sure you let me know.